The community platform comes with a brilliant member directory, and you can access that just on the left-hand menu by going into members. Now, this will show you all of the members on the platform. You can filter here by newest members, and you can also change that to oldest member as well, so you can see them in different formats there. You can also view them in list format as well. Now, there's also some features at the top here, so you can search by name or email address for a particular member, and you can also filter the members by different types as well. Now, if I go into a profile and just click on the profile, you can see here is where I can see the details of that member, and the members themselves are able to customize this, so they can upload their own photo here, they can make changes to their name and things like that, put where they're from and that sort of stuff. And you can also see dynamically that this user is online and active now, so all of this updates for you all of the time, and the user can also change the banner at the top if they want to. Now, you can filter on this user by the feeds, so things that have added into the feed section. You can have a look at all of their comments, you can have a look at the channels they're part of, and you can see the saved posts that they've curated as well. Now, in the bottom left hand corner, you can see the badges that this person have earned. This person is actually me, and you can see I've earned these badges here. So I've earned my Sprout level, and now I'm on rookie here, and that's reflected on the right hand side here, where I can see I'm at level 2 rookie, 40 points out of 75 towards level 3, and it even tells me how many points I've got. So nice bit of gamification there. What I love as well is users can update and put as much information or as little as they want to in their profiles. In the about section, I've got my email address, I've got my place, I've got a link to my address, and also I've got my LinkedIn form as well. And it even shows just down the bottom here which channels I'm actually active in. So it says there which channels I've actually been present in, so you can get a good idea of each member there. So that is the members directory on the community. Hope you found that useful.